subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't seen my last video, please give a watch. Regular exercise is the key of relieve stress or to improve immunity power and mental health. People who juggle between personal and professional responsibilities often fall short of time to pay attention on their fitness. You might not be able to hit the gym regularly or step out for a jog or walk, but you need not to worry. There are some exercises that you can do at home without any equipment. Here are 10 basic easy to do home exercise to stay fit and boost your immunity power. Number 1. Jumping jacks. It's a basic exercise to start with. It's important to warm up and stretch before starting the regular exercise. Jumping jack gives flexibility and help you to increase the stamina. Keep your feet together and stand tall, and keeping hands straight at your sides. While jumping, raise your arm above your head and feet apart to the sides. Quickly reverse and come back to standing position with a jump. A 1 or 2 minute jumping jack exercise can loosen your muscles and more flow of oxygen into the bloodstream. Number 2. Push-ups. It's one of the most effective and common do-at-home exercise ever. Get into plank position. Keep hands under bed outside your shoulder. Keep your legs stretched. Lower your body until chest get near to the floor and quickly come back to original position. It basically strengthens your upper body as it's beneficial for chest, shoulders and triceps. It also strengthens your thigh and abdominal muscles. In the beginning, it seems difficult to do more number of push-ups. Number 3. Squats. Squat is most effective exercise to tone your thigh and hip. Keep shoulders and chest up with back straight and feet with wider apart. Take your hip back and then bend your knees and sit as if you are sitting on a chair. Slowly come back to original position and repeat. Ensure to look straight while squatting. Do it in a controlled manner. If your back and knees start hurting, you are not doing it properly. Take a rest and then start afresh. Number 4. Single leg stand. Balancing on one foot enhances flexibility of legs muscles. It boosts your concentration. Shift your leg entire body weight on one foot and lift the other slightly off the floor. Keep it straight towards and try not to lean your body. Stay in the position for a minute. Number 5. Bridge posture. Lie flat, your back with arm on your sides, palm down. Keep feet flat on the floor with knees bended. Ensure to keep feet apart. Now slowly lift your hip towards ceiling and hold on the position for a while and then come back to the original position. Bridge pose helps you to relieve from lower back pain and help you to fight hypertension. Number 6. Plank. Plank exercise puts your entire body on work. It's most vital for abdominals. Get down on the floor on your elbows and toes. Elbows should bend and directly below your shoulders. Keep the body straight while holding on to the position. Number 7. Leg raise. Leg raise exercise are one of the best for abdominal area. You just need to lie on your back, place your hand beside you, palms down. Raise your legs off the ground, keeping your knees locked. Hold on the position as long as you comfortably can, and then slowly come back to original position. Number 8. Hands in and out breathing. This is good for lungs. It's quite easy to do. Stand straight, stretch your arms forward at the shoulder level, with palms facing each other closely. Spread your arms out of the side while inhaling till they form a straight line at the shoulder level. Come back to original position. Repeat it for 3 to 5 minutes. Number 9. Hip rotation. Lie flat on the floor and keep the feet apart. Slowly push up one leg, looking straight, and then pull it back. Now raise your other leg and do the same. It's great stretching exercise that strengthens your hip muscles and improve flexibility. Number 10. Crunches. It's traditional exercise for stronger abs. Lie flat on your back, knees bent with feet flat on the floor. Keep the feet apart. Hands to be kept at the base of your head with elbows pointed out. Bring your head and shoulder off the floor using your abs and go back to the position with control. It's never too late to start something good. Improve your immunity by these easy exercises daily.